Okay, I've got the Dremel Flooring blade to review, and I like it. It doesn't go all the way around like that, but on the mounting, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. It fits on very snugly. Here's a piece of 1/2 inch pallet wood that I have laying around. Now these multi-tools aren't known for their speed of cutting heavy stock, but got a nice cut. A little bit of burn on there, and it may have been my fault, but I didn't have a problem cutting it. It's made for flooring, so I think it will be a good one for that. And again, this is the Bosch 3X Life one-piece cutting blade for wood flooring.